Richmond American Homes is proud to introduce the Deacon, a stunning ranch-style floor plan boasting 2 garages, including attached RV space. Just inside, 2 charming bedrooms are located off the entryway, conveniently sharing access to a full hall bath. Beyond the entry, a versatile flex room can serve as a study, workout space, or more. It can even be optioned as an additional bedroom. Toward the back of the home, a generous great room flows into a well-appointed kitchen, with a breakfast bar island and walk-in pantry. On the other side of the kitchen, a sunlit dining area enjoys a view of the covered patio and backyard, with multiple door options available. Continue past the dining area to the secluded master bedroom, offering an attached bath with deluxe options like this lavish walk-in shower. You'll also love a roomy walk-in closet, with an optional door to the laundry room for added convenience. Lastly, a mudroom offers an optional key drop and tech center, plus access to the laundry room and both garage areas. Which brings us full circle to the Deacon's spectacular RV garage. Whether you've got a full-sized recreational vehicle, boat, or growing bike collection, this space has you covered. With a variety of personalization options and incredible included features, the Deacon is the dream home you've been waiting for. Designed with you in mind for the way you want to live. Richmond American Homes.